Hey, it's Bob the Toolman here, and today we're going to see how to use the cordless drill driver. This is part 1, explaining the tool. Cordless drill is battery operated power tool and is very common in use today. And besides professional use, almost every household has one for repairing things around the home. In this video, I'm going to use Makita cordless drill driver as an example. Basically, there are two different types: cordless drill driver and cordless hammer drill driver. Cordless drill driver is intended for drilling in metal and wood, and screw driving in wood, metal and plastic. Cordless hammer drill driver is intended for drilling in concrete, brick, metal and wood, and screw driving in wood, metal and plastic. Let me give you an advice. Before using this or any other cordless tool, please read the instruction manual. Before we start using the tool, we need to install the battery cartridge. We can do that by aligning the tongue on the battery cartridge with the groove in the housing and slip into place. Insert it all the way until it locks in place with a little click. Removing it, it's the opposite position. You just push the button and slide it from the tool while sliding the button on the front of the cartridge. So let's start the tool now. This is the switch trigger, and simply to start the tool, just pull the trigger. Tool speed is increased by increasing pressure on the switch trigger. Release the switch trigger to stop the tool. Today, all the new models of cordless drill driver, regardless of the brand, have lamp installed. The only difference is where the lamp is installed above the switch trigger or below on the housing. Above the switch trigger is the lamp. On this model of Makita, the light is very handy, especially when you work in a low light or dark places. This is the reversing switch lever. This tool has a reversing switch to change the direction of the rotation. It can be clockwise rotation or counterclockwise rotation. When the reversing switch lever is in the neutral position, the switch trigger cannot be pulled. This is the speed change lever. Before changing the speed switch, turn off the tool first. Push the speed change lever to position that displays 2 for high speed or position 1 for low speed but high torque. Be sure that the speed change lever is set to the correct position before using the tool for desired operation. Adjusting the fastening torque for screw driving. As you can see on this tool, the fastening torque can be adjusted in 22 levels by turning the adjustment ring. Align the graduation with the arrow or indicator on the tool body. You can change the minimum fastening torque at 1 and maximum torque at drill bit marking. The clutch will slip at various torque levels when set at the number from 1 to 21. The clutch does not work at the marking with the drill. Before actual operation, drive a trial screw into your material or a piece of duplicate material to determine which torque level is required for the particular application. What is a fastening torque? I will explain in my following video. This model has a hook installed, which is convenient for temporary hanging the tool. This hook can be installed on either side of this tool. To install the hook, insert into a groove in the tool housing on the either side and then secure it with a screw. Installing or removing drill bit or driver bit. To do this operation, turn the sleeve counterclockwise to open the chuck jaw. Place the drill bit in the chuck as far as it will go, and then turn the sleeve clockwise to tighten the chuck. To remove the drill, turn the sleeve counterclockwise and repeat the same operation for the driver bit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment my videos. Link to purchase the products are below in video description. Thank you.